part of the tutorial series, and in this video we are going to learn about proportional editing, a few modifiers and preference images. Starting off with proportional editing. So to learn this we will switch to edit mode and click here or press O. This will display a circle after you press G, which will determine the area which will be affected when you are moving different parts of the object. Now for this to work we will require more vertices on the cube. So I will go ahead, right click and click on subdivide. Now as you can see the box which appears here, you can make the settings of the cuts like say 10. Now if we make a small circle and drag one vertex, you can see the impact of the move is not that high like this. Now if we make the circle bigger, which you can do by scrolling downwards and move the vertex, you can see that the impact is more significant. It's time for us to apply some modifiers, which we can do by going right here. When you click here, you can see a drop down menu which has a lot of modifiers in it, though you need not worry about all of them as only some of them are used very frequently. We will be learning about only 3 of them today. The first one we are going to learn is the mirror modifier. To show this, we will go to edit mode. We will switch to the front view by pressing number pad 1 or clicking on the X on the right hand top corner like this. We will scroll up to zoom in a little. Press Ctrl R and we will place the edge right where it is. Double click and now we are going to select half of the cube after enabling X-ray mode from here. What this will do is allow us to select vertices through the cube. That means you can also select the vertices behind the cube from the front view. Now we will select half of the cube. Press X and click on faces. This will basically delete the face. Now we can add the mirror modifier. And you can see a replica of the remaining part, though you cannot select it. The change which you make on the left hand side will be duplicated on the right hand side like this. Moving on to the next modifier, which is bevel. So basically what this modifier does is it adds smoothness to your edges as well as vertices. Here you can see 2 values. One is the amount which allows you to increase the smoothness, and the other one lets you increase the segments of the curves near the vertices or edges. Now we are going to learn about subdivision surface. As the name suggests, this modifier is used to divide the objects into many more vertices and edges. This works similar to the subdivide tool which we used to start sculpting. But this might change shape of some meshes. Like you can see, if we add this to the cube, it changes to a spherical mesh. To correct this, you can change the settings of the modifier from cat-more-clerk to simple. And then we can click on apply and then switch to edit mode to view the changes. As you can see that the cube has many vertices and edges. Sorry guys, unfortunately it's time up. So we will be learning reference image in the next part.